Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome back, or if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining us. Today I'm going to show you some cards that I made with Photoplay Fall Breeze. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for fall. I got the 6x6 pad and the stickers, and you can see that I do have some stickers left. I have a few pieces of paper and then some scraps, and I think I made about a dozen cards. So I'll just walk you through them and show you what I did and give you some ideas. On this one I used printed paper as the background, and I have some stickers layered and some sequins and just some little pearls that are stickers. They're self-adhesive, so it's nice and easy, and a knot of embroidery floss. So if you're a cross stitcher or you've done any kind of embroidery, you probably have some of that sitting around. Or you could buy one thing for 50 cents and make a million cards. And it says, "You are never too old to play in the leaves." And on the inside, I just used another sticker that says "Jumping in the Leaves." I think that's it for that one. This one, I used some more of those wood embellishments that I got at Tuesday Morning. And when I was there recently, I saw another set of them, slightly different colors and different themes, but I thought, okay, I've tried those. I'm gonna move on. I did a circle die cut out of this brown paper and then layered underneath some more circles of the printed paper, and it came with the Stay Gold and the little embellishments on it. And then I just added sequins and came in with a touch of the white gel pen. Can you see that? Lot of different printed papers, but I don't think it came out too busy. For some reason, I really like this one. This one I think is fun. It says, "In all things, give thanks," and that was a sticker from this sticker sheet, and I layered it on black paper that I cut with a circle die cut and brown paper, and I inked the edge. And this is ribbon, just a piece of ribbon wrapped around and adhered behind that layer, so you can see that it's not on the inside of the card, it goes just around the card front. And these are Nuvo drops. I don't know if you're familiar with that product. Comes in a bottle, and these are Nuvo crystal drops. This one is ivory seashell. I find that it goes with everything. If you'll notice, they look almost the same as the pearls you purchase. The thing that's nice about the Nuvo drops is you can make them even smaller than ones you might find. The downside is you have to learn to make them the same size, so that's a little tricky. But I like this card, and then I took a black pen and put some stitching right there. Let me get the lighting a little closer for you. Just along there, just add a little more interest. This one you'll see I've done stitching in gold and in white, and I have layers and layers of paper and some sequins, and these are, I believe, just dollar store sequins, a bunch of fall colors in one package, and a pumpkin sticker. So this one, very simple, went together. I was just trying to use some of those stickers, and I have a lot of circles on here because I have the Sizzix machine right now. This one I like because it has a star on it, of course. So a pumpkin sticker and the word pumpkins. And I took my Clear Star Jelly Roll pen, you know I'm a fan, and went around the edge where the die cut groove was. It's not the straightest circle, but I'm not sorry I did it. I think you can see. And then it says "Grateful" and "Fall" down below. And I'm going to tip it so you can see, they're foam mounted up. And I just took those stickers and put them on the brown paper. All this brown paper is one of those $2 or $2.50 packages from one of the big craft stores. And then trimmed it in a flag shape. And when you do your flags, typically you want to take your smallest pair of scissors and you cut a rectangle. Then you cut up the middle. Then you cut out each side. So cut up the middle first and you'll be better off. Still, you might have to practice and throw some out. I do. And I don't know, I don't think I put anything on the middle. I'll probably put some printed papers in the centers before I start giving these out. This one says blessings and has white gel pen here and there. And what I did was, this was a scrap card, and I wish I had trimmed this a little bit smaller, but the whole front is lifted. You can see that panel. And the paper came with some of these sentiments in it. And the back is just scrap strips that I had from all these papers and layered it up. This one was so simple, and it just turned out really nice. Very multi-purpose, gender neutral. That's why I didn't put any sequins on it. Okay, this one, I need this birthday card, so I had to get this video made. This one says, happy birthday, not just a year older, but a year better. And I have some leaves that I did a die cut on and Copic markered. And then I layered it. It's cream cardstock right here, and I layered it on black. And I thought the stripe, which I didn't use in any of the other cards, was pretty masculine, so I liked it for this birthday card. And then black behind it. I think this is pretty cute. The script is from Honeybee, from this set. And you can make happiness or happy or happier or happiest, and then it has all these different words. And then I got not a year older, but a year better out of something else, a different stamp set. You never know. You never know what's going to happen here. It's pretty messy. Okay, this one, I like this little fox. I think this is adorable. And I put the die off to the side so that the full circle doesn't show. And then I just have some black enamel brads here. I think these were from one of those Christmas sets I bought recently. And layered it up with paper. And then You're the Best down at the bottom. The You're the Best is from a very affordable stamp set from Letter It, the Ranger series called Letter It. And you can see right here, it has You're the Best, grateful, thanks, thank you so much. I like this stamp set, and I've used it quite a bit for a lot of different stuff. Oh, this raccoon is adorable, isn't he? So remember, these are all stickers from the sticker set, except for the leaves right here. But all of these animals are. And I'm not sure if it shows, but all of these circles have a little border around the edge. What I did on the raccoon, anything where I wanted to foam mount the actual animal, I think there were a couple of them in here. I'm trying to see. I stuck, oh, this one was a good example too. I put this one on paper. I stuck the raccoon onto the brown cardstock and then fussy cut it so that it was more stable. And then I have a bow of ribbon right here. Not really a bow, a knot? What do we call that? And a hello that is a die cut with the background printed the same, and just layered it up. This one is super simple, and after I stuck this bow, I thought I could have made a little bow and put it on the raccoon, but I kind of like it there too. Oh, here's another example where I took the sticker, so this turkey, gobble gobble, thankful, and I put the turkey on the brown cardstock and cut it out, and then I have a circle of this printed paper that I like behind it, and honestly I used a circle because I already had it cut. The gobble gobble, can you see right there, that is Nouveau drops along the end, and right here on the thankful also. The gobble gobble is lifted up, and then the thankful is down flat. So I just like to mix things up on the card itself so they're not all the same height. I like how this one turned out. It's pretty thick, it has a lot of paper. And like I said, I'll take the scraps and, oh, and this one has a thanks plus giving on the inside. I'll probably take some scraps and go along the insides. And I like to use washi tape that matches if I have some. This one, I had this piece of burlap, I think literally sitting on the table. And this is an old Stampin' Up! From '97. So I stamped that in brown ink on the cream cardstock. And then I tried this two ways, I'll be honest with you. I ripped the first one off. I took the Nouveau Mousse and rubbed it on the first version just with my finger, and it was very ugly. It was horrible. So I put the Nouveau Mousse on my glass mat with a little bit of water and put a paintbrush on it. I don't know, does it show that it sparkles? I like how it turned out. And it says, go where the wind blows. This polka dot paper I loved, and then this one also has a faint polka dot. And I made a little flag. Very, very simple, but I liked that I used up the burlap that had been sitting around. And this was the sticker. I put it on brown, and then I mounted it on black, and then I lifted it up. I had a great time making these. I just kept playing with fall colors and experimenting, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you're ready for fall, because it is coming. And again, thanks so much for watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, then what are you waiting for? And be sure you're making time for crafting and relaxing. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.